Good day, everyone. For today's session, we're going to talk about complex rational algebraic expressions. I am Mr. Jonathan Piroman, a Mathematics A teacher from Algebraic Integrated School. Okay, para sa session na ito, i-define muna natin ano ba ibig sabihin ng complex rational algebraic expressions. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin complex rational algebraic expression, it is a rational expression whose numerator and denominator are both fractions. So, yung numerator niya at yung denominator niya, fractions. Okay? Pag sinabi nating rational expression, yan ay mga fraction na ang numerator at denominator niya ay polynomials, wherein the denominator should not be equal to 0. Kasi bawal ang division by 0. Sinasabi, to simplify a complex rational expressions, multiply both the numerator and then the denominator by the LCD of all fractions, then simplify when needed. At the first place, ano ba ibig sabihin ng LCD or the least common denominator? The least common denominator is the smallest number that can be a common denominator for a set of fractions. Dalawa kasi yan eh. Una, kapag parehas, sabihin natin dalawang number. Kapag parehas silang prime, just simply multiply these two numbers, then that will be the LCD. For example, 2 and 3. So their LCD is 6. Okay? While, for example, 6 and 9. So, hindi sila prime, okay? So, pagka ganun ang scenario, we need to think of a number na kapag yung number na yun, dinivide natin kay 6 and 9, eksakto ang sagot. And that is 18. So, yun po yung concept ng LCD na gagamitin natin later on sa examples ng complex rational algebraic expressions or simply simplifying complex rational expression. Okay, so let's proceed to our example. Simplify the following. Our first example is 1 over x plus 1 over y all over 1 over x minus 1 over y. So, ang una natin gagawin pagka nagsisimplify tayo ng complex rational expression is we need to get the LCD or the least common denominator. The mere fact na binanggit natin ang least common denominator, magko-concentrate tayo sa mga denominators ng fractions na involved sa ating example. So, ang denominators na involved sa atin ay x, y doon sa taas, dito, and then x, y doon sa baba or denominator. So, dahil parehas na prime yung mga denominators na involved sa ating fraction, then definitely, our LCD or the least common denominator is just simply multiplying x and y, which will give us xy. Okay? So that's the step 1. So the step 1 is to get first the LCD. Anong step 2? Multiply yung numerator at denominator nung complex fraction nung LCD na nakuha natin. So, xy will be multiplied to our numerator and xy will be multiplied to our denominator. So, papaano yung proseso ng pag-multiply? Ito po yun. So, xy will be multiplied to 1 over x, and then xy will be multiplied to 1 over y. Same din ang proseso na mangyayari dun sa ating denominator. So, xy will be multiplied to 1 over x, and then xy will be multiplied to 1 over y. Ang resulta, we have y plus x all over y minus x. Papaano nangyari yon? Si xy, na multiply natin kay 1 over x, magiging xy over x. Siyempre, cancel si x nun. Kaya y na lang. Nung si xy ay minultiply natin kay 1 over y, mangyayari doon is xy over y. Siyempre, cancel si y. Ang natira, si x. Ganon din yung proseso na nangyari sa baba. xy, multiplied natin kay 1 over x, you have xy over x. Siyempre, cancel si x. Kaya y ang natira dito. xy multiplied natin kay 1 over y, canceled si y. Kaya x lang ang natira dito. Kaya we have here y plus x all over y minus x. Kung ating titingnan, wala na po tayong common factors na nakikita dito sa ating numerator and then the denominator. In other words, wala na po makakancel. Definitely, this will be now the final answer for our example number 1. So when we simplify the complex fraction 1 over x plus 1 over y all over 1 over x minus 1 over y, we will have an answer of y plus x over y minus x. So that is our example number 1. Okay, so let's move on to our example number 2. Our example number 2 is a minus ab over a plus b all over a plus ab over a plus b. So just like what we did on our first example, the very first thing that we need to do in solving or simplifying simplifying complex rational algebraic expression is we need first to identify the LCD or the least common denominator of the given complex fraction or complex rational expression. Kung ating titignan ang denominators sa mga fractions na involved dito, sa itaas, sa numerator natin, we have 1 tsaka a plus b. Sa baba naman, we have 1 over a plus b. So dahil 1 tsaka a plus b lang naman yan, tapos sa baba, 1 and a plus b, definitely ang LCD natin ay simply a plus b. Oo. So yun po yung ating unang proseso. Step number 2, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina sa example number 1, i-multiply natin yung numerator ng complex fraction at yung denominator ng complex fraction nung LCD na nakuha natin sa step 1. Paano po yun? So yung numerator ng ating complex fraction will be multiplied to a plus b. And on the denominator ng ating complex fraction dito ay i-multiply din natin sa a plus b. So paano po yung prosesong gagawin natin? So we have here a plus b will be multiplied to a, and then a plus b will be multiplied to ab over a plus b. Yun din ang proseso na magaganap dun sa ating denominator. So si a plus b ay ating ita-times o i-multiply kay a, while si a plus b ay ating i-multiply kay ab over a plus b. Pagka ganun po ang senaryo, ang resulta, we have a quantity a plus b minus ab over a quantity a plus b plus ab. I-detalye natin papaano tayo nagkaroon ng sagot na ganito. So si a plus b, itong buong term na ito, pagka minultiply natin yan kay a, that is simply a quantity a plus b. Over 1 lang yan eh. So definitely, ito lang din ang lalabas. Diba? Next, si ab over a plus b, nung ating minultiply kay a plus b, makakancel po yung a plus b. Kasi magiging ab quantity a plus b over a plus b. Pag na-cancel yung a plus b, ab na lang, kaya naging minus ab ito. Okay, doon tayo sa baba. Si a plus b, pagka minultiply natin kay a, ito po yun. So a quantity a plus b. Ngayon, nung si a plus b ay ating i-multiply kay ab over a plus b, makakancel po yung a plus b. Same thing na nangyari dun sa taas. Kaya ab na lang ang nandito, plus ab. Kaya ito po yung naging resulta when we multiply the entire complex fraction by their LCD, which is a plus b. Now, since may mga existing na grouping symbol dito sa ating resulting fraction, we need to simplify by removing the grouping symbols using the distributive property. So we have there a square plus ab. So a times a square. A times b, ab. So kopyahin lang si minus ab. Yung din na nangyari sa baba. A times a square. A times b, ab. Kopyahin yung plus ab. Ayan. Kung ating titignan yung fraction na nabuo, may mga like terms na kailangang i-simplify at i-combine. So a square plus ab minus ab, eliminated yan. A square plus ab, pwede ito i-combine. Ang resulta, you have there a square over a square plus 2ab. Ngayon, kung titignan po natin yung fraction natin, mayroon pong common factor dun sa ating denominator. Okay, pag pinactor natin yan, you have a square over a quantity a plus 2b. Meron pong common factor na a dun sa ating denominator. Okay? Ngayon, so a square over a, sabi natin sa simplifying rational expression, we need to cancel out the common factors. So, kakancel natin yung tig-isang a. So, matatanggal yung isang a dito kay a square kasi na-cancel ito. Ang resulta, we have now a over a plus 2b as the final answer. So that is how we simplify complex rational expression. Kailangan lang nating alalahanin yung mga paraan ng pagpa-factor. Okay? Kasi gagamitin din natin siya sa pag-simplify ng rational expression. Kasi kailangan nating i-simplify yung magiging resulta as we perform simplifying complex rational expression. Aside from the steps on how to simplify complex rational expression, we also need to think of the different factoring patterns para masabi natin na ang ating resulting fraction ay naka-lowest term na. Naway marami kayong naintindihan at natutuhan sa ating maikling discussion pertaining to simplifying complex rational expression. Muli, ako si Mr. Jonathan Piroman, a Mathematics 8 teacher from Ilaya Barangka Integrated School.